Today is haircut day for Murphy because summer is here and he is very, very hairy. So let's go get it done. It's definitely a beautiful day to get Murphy shaved. Isn't that right, Murphy? Let's go.
Murphy, let's see your new haircut. Hi, baby. Look how skinny you look.
It looks ridiculous.
Murph. Oh, he's probably thirsty.
Yeah.
Murph,
Jeez.
you thirsty? Hey, baby. You look so skinny.
He's ready for the summer though.
I know.